Hey, what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. A few weeks ago, I uploaded a video where I styled clothes that I hate for a week. Basically went through my closet and picked out pieces that either no longer brought me joy or they were overworn, and I wanted to create space for new pieces, and I wanted to see if I could restyle them in ways that I normally wouldn't have to see if they could stay in my closet. Some of them did, but the others I did end up donating, and you guys will just have to watch the video to find out what I ended up keeping and donating and whatnot. When my sister told me that she had a giant bag full of things she wanted to get rid of, I obviously needed to stop her before that happened because she has amazing style and I didn't want her to get rid of any of the pieces that I really love. But I also wanted to see if there was opportunity to look at some of the pieces that maybe I had passed over in our closet before and see if there are ways that I could style them with items in my closet. So that's what we're doing, and that's what I did. And that's why we're here, and that's why you're watching this video, and I'm talking a lot. Let's just get into it. I think it'll help me if I can like go through these items and hang up the ones that I think I can work with. I really like this, but not this week. How? Where? No. Cute, but no. These, yes. Oh, this is like a giant gown. What? That's fun. I don't know. I feel like some of the pieces that I'm not actually gonna style, I'll just end up trying on for funsies. Looks like she painted on the back of this. Looks really hot, but that could work as well. Okay guys, this is outfit number one. It's really hot out, so I wanted to wear the white shorts today. Also, like, Mondays are super busy and I'm just laying around the house like getting a lot of work done, so I want to be really comfortable and also like not sweating my ass off. So I'm gonna wear these white shorts with this princess top that I got from a vintage store. And then I found this, this was my grandma's. It's like this really colorful, kind of oversized shirt, and it's got some shoulder pads which are really cool, so I thought the pop of color would be nice. And then I'm going to wear it with these Adidas. Okay, here's the look so far. I first of all love the silhouette of this over top. I just put my hair half up, half down. I do really like how this looks. And then I've got the, oh, that was weird. I have the Adidas right here, and then I wanted to pick some jewelry out. Hello, what do you think of my outfit?
You look pretty.
Oops.
I really like that color on you.
Oh my god.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
That's a really nice color on you. I love, you know I always ask to see you in color, right?
These are kids' shorts. These like white Sophie shorts.
Yeah.
So I just want to do like a white on white and then have some pop of color. I want to do like kind of like a fun gold moment, I think. Go with these hoops. I ended up just putting these hoops on, and then this is the lip gloss that I'm wearing today. It's from Buxom. It's called Full On, and I think it's a plumping lip gloss, and I really like it. I definitely like this look a lot. I have to go start work for the day, but I'm gonna check in with you guys a little bit later. I like how I'm like focusing on the piece that literally is not in the video. These shorts are just comfortable, and I wanted to wear them, so I don't know why she's giving them away. I'm absolutely keeping these. I love this outfit. It's really cute. And the shorts are great. I love these shorts. Wear a mask. I was very lucky in that the first item that I chose were just a pair of white Sophie shorts. I used to wear these all the time in middle school. I think I had one of every single color. And I'm actually so surprised that she wanted to get rid of these because it's so hot out right now. And these would go with everything. Without a doubt, keeping these shorts. I mean, come on. Yay, another day. Okay. What are we working with here? I think I want to wear maybe this sweater, if I can grab it. Here's what I went with. So, I mean, obviously this is just a cardigan. There's nothing like super special or weird about it. In fact, I don't really know why she doesn't like it. So I'm going to wear it with a white t-shirt, my favorite mom jeans, these little shell gold hoop earrings, and then these cute white sandals, and put this together. What do you think?
I actually really like it. You look really nice.
Oh, and then
I feel like you could style that with dark jeans. I feel like the contrast would look good. And then yeah, those are good shoes with it.
As if I'm like going anywhere.
You look really nice. You look like, I like that jacket with you. I really like, what are these, like how it, like this piece?
Yeah, it was actually my, so the story is, this was my granddad's sweater. Kit took it and then she shrunk it by accident. And then she like stopped wearing it, so.
Oh, it looks so nice on you. It makes me like want to take you out for a glass of wine or something.
If only there wasn't a pandemic. But I wouldn't mind getting ice cream tonight.
You've been asking for ice cream all week. You're mocking me because I don't know how to floss.
But this is how you floss.
You look good. Alright.
I actually really love this next outfit. This is something that I wear all of the time. I'm literally wearing the same jeans right now. I wear these jeans with everything. So it was kind of a no-brainer when I saw this sweatshirt that I was probably gonna pair it with the jeans. By sweatshirt, I mean cardigan. I love this and I am going to keep it for my wardrobe as well. I can see this being paired in so many different ways. I feel like this is like the perfect color. Okay, I look awful right now. I just got out of the shower and the blow dryer in this house is like, I want to say close to 60 years old. So it's done nothing, but I'm getting dressed. So I thought I'd show you guys what I'm gonna style today. I grabbed this Free People top. It's like a cropped kind of like, I don't know how to describe this sleeve, but it's like super flowy. I know that it actually is kind of big in the chest for me, so I'm gonna have to find a safety pin and like clip it, but I'm gonna pair it with these dark wash mom jeans. And then I can't decide if I'm going to wear those same white heels or sandals from earlier this week or these. But yeah, I'm literally doing nothing other than like cleaning up the living room. I'm gonna make some food, have some wine. It's like later in the day right now. I'm getting dressed later. Okay, here's what I have so far. This top is kind of cute. It is a little too big, so I don't think I'm gonna end up keeping it. I don't know, I was watching TikToks and someone had like amazing eyeshadow on and I was like, I wanna have eyeshadow on. Why didn't I bring my tripod up? I decided to add a little like blue eyeshadow eyeliner because I thought this outfit was just so plain. It needed some pizzazz, so that's what we did. You can't really see it, but this is like a lot compared to, oops, what I normally do. I'm trying to think like what would Kit do, because she would not just like wear this top with a pair of jeans. Like she would wear probably a full blue lid. This is what we're gonna do. Now I'm just like checking myself on the viewfinder and it's weird. I want some wine. My style is basic. It's just like neutrals, except for this red. This is like a moment, okay? This is like, Emma, what are you doing? This is not right. This is not you. With this kind of prairie boho kind of top, I wanted to add a little bit of fun stuff to my makeup. So I added some like blue eyeshadow. As if that's like the most riveting thing. Like, can we talk about that? I thought that I was like doing something like really amazing there. But no, Emma, you just put a little bit of blue eyeshadow on your lid, so. Hi guys, it's the next day. I feel like I kind of look like a hot mess today. This is what I decided to go with. I'm styling this cardigan. And in the spirit of just mixing things up, I'm wearing blue eyeshadow and I, did my hair a little bit. I'm wearing these mom jean shorts from Target, this bodysuit, and then this is a cardigan. This is my sister's cardigan. This is kind of what I was thinking. Let me put you guys down. I was like, I don't know why. I was like, thinking I could tie it. Is this weird? Is this a thing? Do people do this with their cardigans or am I like making this up here? I don't know. Can you let me know? Is this a look? I feel kind of weird because I would like change the outfit, but now that I'm wearing bright blue eyeshadow, I don't know what else would match. Let me show you. Like of the other options, I was thinking then I could just wear these track pants, but I have blue eyeshadow on and these are green. Whatever, I'm gonna wear it. And I'm gonna go get a smoothie right now. I'm really hot and no one's wearing a mask and it's pissing me off. It's not that hard. I'm still struggling. I don't know if I successfully styled the teal cardigan. Like, do people wrap it? Was I just like making this up and thinking that it looked good? I really thought that I did something. I was like, I'm gonna wrap it and give myself some shape. Like, I don't know if it worked at all, but I was really proud of myself for trying to style a cardigan in a way which people may not style cardigans. Last day, you guys. I just want to be comfy. It's been a rough week. This is the dress that I'm going to wear. And yes, this is the same one that I also own, but since my sister doesn't like it and I do, I'm going to wear it. Here's the dress. I paired it with this little like black shawl.
Yeah, it's really good looking. So, don't you own this dress also?
I do. I got two, and so I gave one to Kit, but she doesn't want it anymore, so it technically counts.
So you're wearing a dress that you bought online and loved, and your sister didn't, and it's part of the style haul.
Yeah. But I like this tie.
That's new.
This little tie. This is my grandma's. And then these shoes.
Yeah, you got the perfect golden hour lighting right now.
I don't know if this is cheating because I have it in my closet as well, but I don't know, like Nick and I were going and walking around and just having a really nice time together, and it was really, really hot out, and I thought this was really perfect. I don't know, this dress makes me feel good, and I had a really tough week, so I just wanted it to end on this high pink leopard print moment. I don't know, it just makes me feel really pretty, and I don't love dresses, so when I find ones that I do really enjoy wearing, I kind of like relish in that because I'm like, oh my gosh, me, I like a dress. Like, this doesn't happen often. So I did end up wearing this one. It's from Lulu's, you guys, and I really like the length as well. It's kind of like a midi kind of dress. Style is how I express myself. Some days I really feel daring and I'm ready to get out of my comfort zone, and others I just want to be like wrapped up in something that makes me feel at home and at peace. And finding pieces that make me feel that way while still being versatile enough where if I have those days in which I'm ready to like do something spectacular and sparkly, then I can use that piece and kind of bring it to the next level. But I kind of like my outfits and the pieces in my closet to almost sit at neutral, and then I have these like fun moments. I am gonna keep the cardigan and the white Sophie shorts. I'm very excited about those two pieces. I think that those will thrive in my closet and make friends very quickly. The other items I will wash and also donate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. I know, guys, I was like really daring this time. I like really pushed myself outside my comfort zone. On that note, I'm gonna go. Make sure that the neighborhood dogs aren't attacking one another. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!